Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Payout account is restricted from monetizing on Facebook. Now, first thing you should do is to simply go to your Google. Then what you should do right now is to simply click on these three horizontal dots. And now we're going to download an extension. So I'm going to click on extensions, then manage extensions. Then you should click on developer mode. Now you will have to download the extension that I'm going to leave down below in the description. And now you should upload this folder right here. This is an extension called the identity verification payout. Now you have to copy this extension just like this. You will have to click on the right click button, then click on extract to identity verification payout. Then it will show you this folder. You can simply drag it just like this, then click on copy. And now we have to make sure that you are activating this extension. Then what you should do is to click on extension icon right here. Then you should pin it like this. And now what you should do is simply click on the extension icon. And after that will show you this page. Now we have to add all these information. You will have to fill in this form. And here down below, you will have to, type a small message telling them that you have to verify your payout. You'll have to enter the ID payout and the name payout. After that, after filling in all these information, you should click on send. You can simply click on choose files and upload any file that you need. So you can simply upload the photo of your payouts like this photo right here. And after that, it will show you here this message telling you that the identity verification payout has been successfully sent. And after that, you will be notified when responded in 1 to 2 business days. So keep that in mind. You'll have to wait for 2 business days because sometimes they may take a vacation. So you'll have to wait until the vacation ends and wait for 1 or more 2 days. Then after that, it will show you this icon right here on the top of your payouts page telling you that the identity verification is successfully done. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.